How are you all? I wish you all a very happy World Environment Day. Yes, today it's 5th June and 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. For the occasion, I have got a lovely story for you all. The story about a big ocean. This is such a big ocean and it is giving protection and shelter to so many animals that they all lovingly call it Uncle Ocean. Okay, you want to see who all are residing in Uncle Ocean's big water body? Yes? Okay, I will give you clues and you have to guess me which animal I'm talking about. Okay, ready? Here you go. Firstly, it's an animal which can walk like a straight path and it can also walk sideways. Yes, I'm talking about crab. Okay, so here you have a crab. Then we have other animal which lives years and years and years and it has got long, very long life. Yes, I'm talking about turtle. Turtle. Then we have an animal which showcases us lovely stunts while jumping long and high. This is dolphin. And here comes an special animal like kangaroo. It has got a pocket to keep its baby. You want to see? Can you guess me? I'm talking about a seahorse. Okay, then comes the biggest of all. Yes, it's a whale. The big whale. So, Uncle Ocean is such a big water body that it has got so many big and small animals residing inside it. Yes, and it has got a very lovely family, a very special family. You want to meet them? I'll show you. Here you go. This is baby shark. And then you have got a mommy shark. And then we have got, who comes next? Yes, then comes daddy shark. This is such a lovely family. They all stay together. They eat together. They have lots of fun together. They sing together. They dance together. You want to see them singing and dancing? Yes? Okay. Baby shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark. Mommy shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, mommy shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, mommy shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, mommy shark. Daddy shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, daddy shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, daddy shark-a doo-doo-doo-doo, daddy shark. So, this way they used to have so much fun together. But one day, baby shark was upset. Its stomach was upset. Baby shark was crying and telling, Mommy, Daddy, my tummy is aching. Do something, please do something. Oh, Daddy said, Chalo baby, let's go to Dr. Shark. Dr. Shark will help us out. So they all went to Dr. Shark. They're going. And here they come to Dr. Shark and say, Dr. Shark, doctor, baby shark has got tummy ache, stomach ache, do something. Okay, let me check baby shark. So, Dr. Shark checked baby shark and said, what did you eat in last 2 days, baby? Mommy said, oh, baby loves to eat jellyfish all the time. Baby is eating only jellyfish. Okay, let's go for an X-ray. So, in the X-ray, doctor found and said, oh my God. In the X-ray, Can you see so many poly bags? There are so many poly bags. Then mommy said, how come poly bags are here in my baby's stomach? Then doctor said, I will tell you what is happening. You know, the humans are throwing such poly bags in the ocean, and this way, so this poly bags while floating in the ocean looks like jellyfish. Yes, and they look like jellyfish. They are jellyfish, and the poly bags look similar to jellyfish. So they think that they are jellyfish, and they eat them away. They eat them away, and they get stomach upset. Few days back, with similar complaint, there came baby turtle. So mommy said, oh, how come poly bags are coming here? So Dr. Shark said, humans are throwing. Mommy Shark said, can't we stop them? Then Daddy Shark said, we have a way out. Let's go and talk to Uncle Ocean. Uncle Ocean can help us in getting the way and rid out of this. So they went to Uncle Ocean and said, Uncle Ocean, we need a favor. Can you pass our message to humans for not to throw the garbage in your body so that the babies don't eat poly bags? Uncle Ocean got furious. Uncle Ocean said, I know these days so many animals are coming with the similar complaint, and look at me. They are thinking me as of dustbin, and see what are they throwing, what not they're throwing. They're throwing in me the disposables. They're throwing inside me the poly bags, and they are throwing inside me. One more thing has added these days, mask. So all their dirt, their wastage, they are throwing inside me, thinking I am a dustbin. So it's high time now I have to teach them a lesson. And in anger, Uncle Ocean gave a cyclone, big cyclone. You remember, children? Few days back there was a cyclone. Yes, you remember? No, it was so windy. The doors and windows were banging. The trees were swaying. You remember? It was all Uncle Ocean's anger. Uncle Ocean got angry on us. Yes, and when the cyclone stopped, what happened? Uncle Ocean threw all the garbage back on the beaches. ले लो वापस अपना, है ना? So this way, Uncle Ocean gave us a message not to throw the garbage in the water bodies. In fact, we should try not to use such poly bags. We should not use such masks, and we should use all the reusable things so that we don't have to throw them again and again. Okay, children? So you all promise me that you will take care of all the water bodies, the lakes, the rivers, the oceans, and all the animals residing in it. Yes? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.